Hi there, it's your friend, Timothy Mouse. As you know, Dumbo is a real high flyer. So as to make your flight a safe one, be sure to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened. Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And for all you grown-up types, be sure to watch your kids. To make your pachyderm fly higher, just raise the magic lever right in front of you. Okay, Dumbo, let's get this show on the road.
Давай, Игорь!
Until Dumbo comes to a stop. Maybe we can walk to the nearest station. See you soon.